open. Thank you. Lesson 36. This is on 2 different lessons. Ratio, which is pretty simple, and then it's called simple probability. Why? Because this is what I'm going to teach you. Not really simple, but the simplest form of probability. Okay?
Which probability?
So the next time you learn probability, it will not be simple. Okay? So this one is on ratio. Okay? Now there are 4 different ways that you can write a ratio. The way I want you to write a ratio is with a fraction. Okay? But I'm going to go in and show you all the ways. If I say 3 to 4, I can say 3 colon 4, which still means 3 to 4. I can say, 3 out of 4. And then I can even make it into a decimal number, which then it wouldn't really be a ratio anymore. Okay? But those are the 4 different ways they say that we can write one. Okay? This is the way I want you to write ratios. Okay? Now, let's say, how many boys are there and how many girls are there?
3.
How many girls?
6.
What am I?
Oh, girl.
Just wondering.
You're a woman, not a girl, so yeah.
No, let's go with girls. Okay, there are 7 girls. Okay, and then boys, how many boys we got? 3. So if I was writing boys to girls, the way I would write that is what?
I don't remember the number, but it would be 6, 7
7.
over 3.
Okay, now wait a minute. I'm doing boys to girls. And whatever is asked first is the one you do first, okay? So right now we know that it's 3 to 7, right? Or the other way to write it is 3 to 7. And the way I want you to write it
It's 3
is
over
3
7.
over 7. Now, Lane, what if I said girls to boys?
7 over 3.
Okay, now, here's what I want you to get. Y'all see that? 7 over 3? Okay, do I make that improper fraction into a mixed number?
No.
Why not?
Because it's a ratio.
Because it's a ratio. Do I make every other number that is an improper fraction a mixed number?
Yes.
Yes, just not ratios. Does everybody understand that? Am I supposed to reduce ratios?
No. Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
That
you
is
are.
reducing.
Yes, you are. Okay, so what if this said, let's
9 over 3.
I could do 9 over 3, but I'm trying to think of something else. 9 over 12. Okay, let's say there were 9 girls and 12 boys.
3/4.
Yes. You would reduce it. What number goes into both 9 and 12? 3 will. 3 will go into 9 3 times. And 12 divided by 3 would be 4. So our answer would be 3/4. Okay? So basically to every 3 girls, there would be 4 boys if it was 9 to 12. Okay? Do you reduce ratios?
Yes.
Do you make an improper ratio into a mixed number?
No.
No, you do not. Very good. Write that down if you need to know that. Write it down. All right. Now, listen to this. In a group of 28 children, there are 12 boys. 28 children, 12 boys. Now here's what the question is though. What is the boy-girl ratio? Boy-girl ratio. Now problem, what is my problem here?
Doesn't tell you how many girls.
It doesn't tell us how many girls there are. But can I figure out how many girls there are? Yes.
Yeah.
How would I figure it out? 28 minus 12. And 28 minus 12 is
16.
16. So now I know how many boys do we have?
12 to
12. And how many girls do I have? 16.
But simplified, it was 3/4.
But simplified, it would be 3/4. Very good, Gracie. Everybody understand?
Her middle name is Aaron.
I know, isn't that crazy? Okay, so 3/4 would be our answer here, right? All right, now listen to this one. What is the girl to boy ratio? 16 over 12, which is? We'd say 16 over 12,
The
which is
reciprocal of
4 thirds. Okay? Do I make that into a mixed number? No.
No.
Okay. Now, you're zoning out on me.
Yep. Just a little bit.
Take and smack your face.
Okay. That doesn't help.
All right, look back up here. We got to finish this. All right, listen to this one. The team won 4/7 of its games. How many games did it win?
4/7.
Okay, but how many games?
28.
No. He won 4
games.
The team won 4/7
What kind of sport
of
is
its
this?
games.
What kind of sport is this?
I don't know.
How many games were there?
How many games were there?
7.
7.
So
And
he
how
won
many
4
games did they win?
4.
Very good. Now, here's what they asked me. What was the team's win-loss ratio? Which one is going to go on top? Wins. Losses are going to go on the bottom. Does it tell how many losses we have?
No.
Can I figure it out?
4
Yes.
over 3.
Yes. So the win is 4 and the loss is 3 because there are 7 games and 4 of them were wins. So it means 3 of them were losses. So the answer would be 4 thirds. Do I make it into a mixed number? No, I do not. Okay. Now, oh man. In a bag are red marbles and green marbles. If the ratio of red marbles to green marbles is 4 to 5, what fraction of the marbles are red? Very good. Claire, how did you get that?
4 to 5, so it means that there are 4
4 red, 5 green.
which makes 4 plus 5 is 9.
Very good. So what is the total amount of marbles? 9. So if I asked you what is the fraction of marbles that are red, you would tell me 4 out of 9 because there's a 9 total. Does everybody understand how I got that answer? Okay, so these are all indirect answers. You're not gonna, it doesn't tell you in the problem the answer. You're gonna have to figure it out indirectly from figuring out how many that means there are. Does everybody understand? Okay. Oh my gosh, it's loud.
Can I make it even more louder?
Okay. Wowzers, we do not have a lot of time. Probability. Everybody listen up and pay attention with everything you've got. I got to talk quiet. I got 4 minutes, okay? Probability. Okay. Probability is what are the chances that this is going to happen, basically. Okay? And so, if I have a single dice, okay, a die, they call it dice, is rolled, what is the probability of rolling a 4? Now listen, how many chances do I have on my dice? How many different numbers can I get? 6. And so how many chances are there for me to get a 4? Okay, so I have 1 chance out of 6 to get a 4. Does everybody understand that? Okay, listen to this one. A number, what is the probability of me getting a number greater than 4? Rolling 1 dice. 2 6. Okay, why 2?
Because there's only 2 more.
Because greater than 4 that I could roll are 5 and 6, right? So I have 2 out of 6 chances. What do I need to do with this though?
1/3.
Very good. 1/3. I had reduced it. Very good. All right, listen to this one. What are my chances of getting a number greater than 6?
None.
None. Okay, because we're only rolling 1 die and it only has 6 on it, so there's not a 7. So me rolling a number greater than 6 is 0. 0 out of 6 chances, which is 0. Okay? And last one. What are my chances of rolling a number less than 7?
1. It's 6 over 6.
6 over 6, why?
Because
A number less than 7 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, which are all the numbers on the die. So I have a great chance, I have 6 out of 6 chances of getting a number less than 7, right? Which equals a 1, right? Okay, now, all right, imagine if I had a spinner. I'm trying to do this really quickly, sorry guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and I spin the spinner, all right? What is the probability that I land on a 3?
1/5.
Okay, how many chances do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for me to land on a 3, I have 1 out of 5 chances. Everybody see that? Okay, what are my chances of not stopping on 3?
4/5.
Okay, that means if I don't stop on 3, I have 1 chance, 2 chance, 3 chance, 4 chances out of 5 chances. Got it? So that would be 4/5. All right. Now, this one, I think this is the last one. Yes, it is. Hallelujah. Okay, last problem. All right, this sector, 1, 2, and 3. Now, everybody look at that. What's wrong with this sector?
It's not even.
It's not even, okay? So, what I want to say is, what are my chances of landing on 1?
Half.
Yes, it wouldn't.
50%.
Okay, now watch what I do. I'm going to put a dotted line, and this is going to be 1A and 1B. That may help you, it may not, I don't know. Okay, so now do we have equal sectors?
Yes.
Yes. So what are my chances of landing on a 1?
50%.
2
Out of
out of 4, which is
1/2.
1/2. Very good. Does everybody understand that? Which is 50%. Okay, but does everybody understand what we're supposed to do? Got it? That is lesson 36. Way to go, guys.